Hey, my name is Connor Norman Banks, and welcome to our kitchen. And my mom is the Flip Flop Chef, and I'm going to be doing a review of this week's delicious Crumbl cookies. And I'm already going to say I totally recommend these. So I'm going to try the iced oatmeal one, which I wasn't expecting to be very good, but I did really like it. When it was warm? Was it warm?
It was warm.
When it was warm, I rated it an 8. Right now, it's 5.5.
5.5. But these are very good reheated in the microwave too.
It very much makes a difference if it's cold or hot. You always have to have milk. And next I'm going to try the Snickerdoodle cupcake.
So how do you rate that one? 10, okay.
So this one is the buttermilk pancake.
That was a lot of icing on that Snickerdoodle cupcake. So the next one you said you're gonna do is the buttermilk pancake?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Oh wait, oh wait, you did recommend. You said 10.
Yes.
Okay.
Mom, you're gonna have to try this after, because it's kind of better when it's not hot.
Okay. So how do you rate the buttermilk pancake?
Right now it's a 7.
7, okay. We tried it when it was hot and we weren't really impressed. So we'll try it again. I'll try it again and see.
So this one is, oh gosh, creamsicle. This one is the blackberry, blackberry. And I didn't really like it, but my mom rated it a 10.
Yeah, it's so good. You just don't like blackberries very much.
The outside is so crumbly.
Yeah.
Without the blackberry thing, 4.
A 4, okay.
And earlier, 3.
Okay, but I rated a 10. So if you're somebody who likes blackberry and lemon, definitely get it.
Okay, so I'm gonna save the best one for last. I have not tried this one though. This one is the chocolate chip cookie. It's just the normal chocolate chip.
We don't usually get this one because we don't like it, but your dad really likes it, so. So how do you rate the chocolate chip?
A 1.
Okay. It's made with milk chocolate chips, so people who like milk chocolate would like it, but we like semi-sweet in our chocolate chip cookies.
I still like milk chocolate, it's delicious, but it doesn't really, it's not good. Now, the best one.
For the week.
Creamsicle.
Creamsicle. Such a nut. So, how do you rate that one? I think I can guess.
1,000,000.
1,000,000? Okay.
That one can't be voted, it's off the chart.
That's off the chart. Wow. Okay.
I definitely recommend. Make sure to visit my mom's channel. Bye.